All right, I'm back. I'm not holding it sideways this time, All right. So, so anyway, y'all, I'm just filming the rain, as y'all know. Okay. As it continue to rain, feel like it's raining soft. Yeah. I forgot how many inches of rain we getting. Watch channel 15, 24-hour news, you know, the noon rebroadcast right now, you know. So hopefully I ain't gonna have no interruption phone calls right now while I'm doing the show. Gotta go. All right, so as I'm as I'm trying to be the weatherman, maybe I should be dressed up in a suit, but I'm in my pajamas right now. You know, slippers, flip flops, I should say. Okay. All right, y'all. So the way I think about it, ladies and gentlemen, we on another hand having a little fun. You know. Well, I wouldn't say having fun though. Uh huh. Yeah, I want to tell y'all when y'all wake up, count your blessings. Thank God for waking you up in the morning. You know. Uh huh. Cause there's some people out here that don't have a roof, a house, period. So just because you have a roof and all that, you don't put nobody down. You got something, don't put nobody down. Rather you have a car, a house. If you own a house, don't put people down just because some people is on Section 8 and stuff like that. I don't put nobody down that's more under me. You know, because you could be in that situation too. You know, because some people will probably put Texas down just because they had a serious misfortune. Because guess what? It could have happened to us. Just like Hurricane Katrina, it happened to us. You know, everywhere was flooded, and I can't swim. Like I said, I can't swim. With Hurricane Katrina and stuff like that, I was scared out of my boots. You know, I was really scared out of my boots. You know, so I mean, I can't swim at all. I cannot swim. Period. You hear me? You know, I was afraid of drowning. I ain't want to go nowhere. I was scared to go somewhere. I was even afraid to go in the helicopter, but I had no choice. Much as I've been talking about helicopters before Katrina. Hmm. But I don't always talk about elevators. And I don't like elevators. You know. Hmm. So, well, I hope I'm not upsetting Andrew Reams about that. Because he love elevators. You know, if y'all watch his videos on YouTube. So a YouTube named Diesel Ducey. You know, if y'all not subscribed to his channel, subscribe to his channel. You know. Hmm. Yep. I want to know how Kirsten K doing. Is she doing good? Any any more music you're putting out? I'll support you. Okay. I won't be selfish and say if you don't support my show, I'm not gonna support your music. You know, is that called being selfish? I wonder. Wait, yeah, I gotta show my face. You know, I don't, I don't know if Kirsten is watching this or not. You know, so I must say, Kirsten, if you're watching my video about a couple of weeks or whatever from now, uh, you're putting out some new music. I hope you support my show. So, you know. Yep. I hope everybody support my show. You know. Yep. I hope everybody's supporting my show. You know, no matter what. Uh huh. Yep. I'm supporting all y'all other channels. You know. So Kirsten appeared on my show one time, you know. If y'all been watching though, if y'all been watching the Dominoes 7 show lately, you know, y'all seen her, you know. Well, all right. See, like the rain is letting up, you know. Hmm. Okay. Yep. In this comfortable weather, cool just a teeny bit. Yep. So for summer, I know some of y'all can't wait till summertime. Some of y'all can't wait for summertime, you know, so it can warm up, you know. Everybody loves the warm weather, you know. Almost everybody like cold. Not everybody like cold, you know. Not everybody like cold weather, you know. So, not everybody like cold weather, you know. You know, so when it gets freezing, people be like, "Man, I can't wait till it be hot." And when people get too tired of the heat, they be like, "Man, I can't wait till it cool down." You know, that's how it is. That's how it is. You know. Well, sorry, y'all. Let me see. This, is it upside down? You can't turn your phone while you're live. Well, the computer said I can't turn it while I'm live. You know. Oh well, what the hell? All right. Oh well. Well, it's not raining no harder. Nope, it's not raining any harder. You know. So it was raining any harder, but it's raining a little. It's not even drizzling. It's just raining, you know. It's raining medium right now. Raining soft, you know. Drizzling, you know. It's not drizzling. And you know, Drake was crazy talking about how to stop the rain. I'm talking about Drake Parker, you know, on Drake and Josh, you know. How do you stop the rain? You can't stop the rain. Listen to that song by New Edition. Can you stand the rain? Sunny days. Tell me, baby, can you stand the... Oh, not now it's raining even harder. You know? Not now it's raining harder now, you know? Now it's raining harder now, you know. Now it's raining even harder, you know. Yep. So it's gonna warm up as the days go by, you know. As the days go by, when another day goes by, it'll be cool. When another day goes by, it'll be warm, you know. Throughout the summer, when another day goes by, you know. Listen to the Dakota Moon, you know. Hmm. Well, whoever heard of Khalil, that song "No Mercy"? I like that song, you know. No mercy. Yep. It's obvious to have to travel in the rain. If you gotta travel in the rain, you gotta travel in the rain. You know, I travels in the rain on the bus. You know, that's what I do. You know. Yes, indeed. You know, everything is good for us. You know, you live in the Berry, you live in the Big Easy. You know, it softened. The rain softened a little bit. You know, the rain done soften. You know, might rain some more. You know, so all right. Yep, the rain has softened. You know, it's raining soft now. Went back to drizzle. Oh well. Bye bye, y'all, for now. All right. Peace out for now.